Okay, we've just had a couple of really bad solar days. Over 150 mils of rain 2 days in a row. So very, very little solar coming in, and it's been a great test for our panels and batteries and inverter system. So we usually put in between 4 and 6 kilowatts a day. That's our average harvest. We have had it up as high as 8 kilowatts a day, I think was the biggest day we've had. So usually we just run everything, don't even think about a full house system. But the last couple of days it's been nice to monitor that. And I'll just turn you around and show you on the system here. We got down to, we're a 48 volt system running through a 5,000 watt inverter. So we did get down to 52.2 amps. Yeah, I'm going to say this right. No, volts. I always get this wrong. Tom should talk about this stuff. We did get down to 52.2 volts, which is roughly 55% of our battery power over the last 2 days. In saying that, we had Starlink, TV, fridge, microwave, chargers, lights, everything running pretty much as usual. We were a little bit cognizant. We didn't use the air fryer much, or we did use the air fryer, but we didn't use it much, and we didn't use the slow cooker. But otherwise, we used the coffee machine. Like, it was business as usual. And we did get down to that 55% by last night. But today, swing this around. It's really nice to see those 3 batteries. This means there's solar coming in off the roof, the inverter's working, and we're charging the batteries at the same time. So there's more solar coming in than I'm currently using. But at the moment you can see we're using 104 watts. And the battery is charging at 16.2 amps, and it's already up to 53.59. So about 54 is 100% full on a 48 volt system. You can see it's there. But yeah, 989 watts coming in this morning. It's 9:29 in the morning. So after 2 really bad days where we harvested practically no solar, as you can see today we've already harvested 0.7 kilowatts, but yesterday we only harvested 0.8 kilowatts, so 800 watts all day, which is pretty low for us. We're normally about that, like I said, between 4 and 6. But yeah, by 9:30 first morning, and it hasn't been full sun either. Like it's sunny now, but the sun's only really just come out, so it's nice to see that solar charging up. I hope you can see that on the camera there, maybe. Nice and quickly, and it's been a really good test of our battery system. So I figure if it can get through those couple of days, we're probably pretty sorted to not have to worry about power too much. Again, if you had a week of that really awful weather, we'd probably be washed down creek, because there was literally no sunshine, like 150 mils a day for 2 days in a row. And the truck's like a lake. We couldn't go anywhere if we wanted to at the moment. But solar-wise, I think it worked very well. I'm really happy with the results of that. Yeah, but if you had a week of it, you might have to be a bit cognizant of what you were doing, trying to cut down on your power usage and stuff. But really, we were pretty much business as usual. And we got a couple of good days out of it, and only got down to that 55%. So pretty happy with that.